Hi guys, so in today's video you're going to learn about how to create your own white pants during this summer, just like H&M, Zara, Shein, Forever 21 in like a 50 rupee budget. So summer is here and we are melting in the heat, and during this heat wearing jeans every single day is like giving yourself a torture. So many people wearing short dresses like dresses, summery dresses, skirts, shorts, but I know a lot of you are not comfortable wearing those shorts in your day-to-day life. Any situations like traveling from bus to traveling from auto and going to college or going for work where you want to feel comfortable and don't want to worry about why are people are staring at you like anything. So as I said, I saw these pants online. They were like around 1,000 to 1,500 budget. I found them stylish, but I was not ready to spend this much amount of money just behind a pair of pants. So I got inspired by an Indian YouTuber. Her name is SejalKumar. She runs a series on her channel named as Outfit from Scratch, and I think I should do something about it and I should create my own white pants. So I dug into my father's closet and I found one pair of white pants which was like in 100% cotton material. These pants were quite short for my father, so he never wore this, but it was for a funeral purpose where you have to wear all white. I snatched these pants from my father's closet. I tried them on. They were comfortable to me, but the only issue which I had is the waist side, because me and my father doesn't share the same waist side. So I thought let's just put a belt in it, and but it didn't work out. So I thought of putting an elastic on the back side. Like I have high-waisted jeans which has elastic on it, so I did this. I thought of the same thing with these pants also. I immediately go to the tailor. I told her that I want my pants just like this. I showed her my jeans and I told her to make my white pants just like that, but it was a mistake. I think I should give my original waist a measurement at that time where she was taking, because I have to go for alteration another time. It was quite loose for me at that time, but after trying them it was so comfortable. I don't feel like I'm wearing anything downstairs. It was white, so it can go with anything. I created some of the looks that you must see and decide like, does it going to work out for you as well. Wondering from where to get these pants. I can guarantee you can find this from Juna Sachivalaya market or Dal Darwaja market, or I saw this place from my bus at Tapovan Circle where that bhaiya have everything, right from white shirts to white pants to white t-shirts, everything in pure white thing. I think you can get it for like 100 or 200 maximum, and you can wear them. That will feel like heaven to your legs. I don't know how I'm sounding right now, but if it works out for you, if you try this, please share your experience with me. I love to hear that. If you like this video, make sure you give it a big fat thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. If you think any of your friend needs it, do share it with them, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.